Hey there! If you love the aviation industry and dream of being in a leadership role, an MBA in aviation management could be your golden ticket. Trophy, let's dive into what makes this degree special and why it could be your passport to success. Why should you consider this MBA? Thinking phase. Think about it. Air travel is booming, airports are getting busier, and airlines are expanding globally. The aviation industry needs smart, strategic managers to keep things running smoothly. That's where you come in. With this MBA, you'll learn rocket how airlines and airports operate behind the scenes. Bar chart the business side of aviation, finance, logistics and marketing. Scales aviation laws and safety regulations, super important. Briefcase leadership skills to manage teams in a high-pressure industry. And guess what? This is not just theory, you'll get hands-on experience through case studies, internships, and industry projects. What jobs can you land? Direct hit. Once you've got this degree, the sky's the limit. Some exciting roles you can grab include Small Blue Diamond Airport Manager, Small Blue Diamond Aviation Operations Head, Small Blue Diamond Airline Business Strategist, Small Blue Diamond Aviation Safety Officer, Small Blue Diamond Cargo and Logistics Manager. And the salary? Money bag fresh graduates start between 6 lakhs rupees to 15 lakhs rupees per year, and with experience, that number can go way higher. Where can you study this course? Graduation cap. Some of the best institutes offering this MBA in India include IIM Bangalore, Executive MBA, Aviation Specialization, UPES Dehradun, Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science, Chennai, AIMS Institute, Bangalore. Most programs require heavy checkmark a bachelor's degree, any field, with at least 50% marks. Heavy checkmark entrance exam scores, CAT MAT XAT GMAT. Heavy checkmark some institutes prefer candidates with work experience, but it's not always mandatory. Who's hiring? The big players, office building. If you're wondering whether you'll get a job after this MBA, don't stress. Aviation companies are always on the lookout for skilled managers. Some of the top recruiters include Airplane Indigo, Air India, SpiceJet, Emirates, Qatar Airways. Airplane Boeing and Airbus aircraft manufacturers. Airplane GMR and GVK airport infrastructure companies. Airplane logistics and cargo management firms, DHL, FedEx, Blue Dart. With strong placement support from top colleges, you'll be all set for an exciting career. Direct hit. Ready to take off? Rocket. An MBA in aviation management isn't just another business degree, it's a specialized path to high-paying leadership roles in one of the fastest-growing industries. So, what are you waiting for? Check out sulekha.com to explore the best colleges, compare fees, and apply today. Your dream aviation career is just a click away.